Hi everyone, back with another easy keto recipe. Stovetop, crustless, burger and pepperoni pizza. And this will serve 2 to 4 people. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of ground beef, pepperonis, shredded mozzarella cheese, green onion, pizza sauce, Parmesan. If you like it spicy, I'm using a red crushed pepper. And down by the bayou, I got from my good friend Jennifer, a 1 cupper, a 1/4 cupper, a fry pan, cover, and spatula. Start by heating up the ground beef, breaking it up into bite-sized pieces on a heat a little higher than medium. And you're going to add in some hot seasoning if that's how you like it, and that's optional. Chop up 2 stalks of green onion into bite-sized pieces. Throw that in with it as well. Mix it up. And then you're going to go ahead and just cover this and let it cook. Kind of in between, be mixing it. Once it's fully cooked and ready to go, then you're going to add 1 full cup of mozzarella shredded cheese, 1 serving of the pepperonis, and I believe it's 16. And then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of pizza sauce over the top of that. Cover and let it sit on a simmer just until the cheese is melted down, and then it's ready to serve. Now this is 2 to 4 servings. I made it into 2 because I do 1 meal a day. There's one of the 2 servings. I added Parmesan and red crushed pepper. And then there it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was absolutely delicious. Definitely tasted like pizza. Your kids would very much enjoy this, so definitely try it out. And it was only 5 net carbs for that plate right there. The whole pan is 10 net carbs. So if you're splitting it 4 ways, it's even less. Enjoy, you guys, and always keep it keto.